Happy Sunday, everybody. Something happened. That's why I'm even here. I'm here to give it to you. I'm going to try them new White Castle, the shrimp nibblers, and the fish nibblers. See what the hubbub is. They're good. These are good. Even the fish nibblers, they're good. You want to know what almost $100 worth of White Castle look like? For real? You see it? Oh yeah. But I'm not just feeding me. I'm feeding the fam. I got my number one beside me, Mike. I got my nephew, DJ. Hey. Him and his little girlfriend done figured it out, I guess. But it is what it is. You know how it is. You break up with somebody, you go back with them, and y'all break up, y'all go back together. But once y'all break up, your family never look at them quite the same. I don't know what that is. Your girl look like an alien to me now. You ain't gonna hurt my nephew's feelings and think I'm gonna smile in your face. No. She didn't have to sit here and babysit him. And crying in his sleep. I ain't gonna never forget that. He was crying in his sleep. He said, of course you don't have no memory of it. You was asleep, fool.
He was right beside me when he did.
It wasn't funny, but it was cute. He get it together. But anyway, God, that's our Sunday mukbang. I'm cooking tomorrow. I normally do this on the weekend when my nephew's here. I got the 30 case crave. I got half and half. Half cheese, half plain. I'm trying these new sliders that they have. The fish sliders, the panko breaded sandwiches with cheese on them. They look pretty good. I can't wait. I'm hungry.
Oh, me too.
Quiet. Mikey wanted chicken wings. Okay. Ooh, slushies. Smoothies. Where's my straw? I got it. It's good. I got mozzarella sticks. Cannot go to White Castles without getting your mozzarella sticks. No eating. Wait, let me give DJ his food. Let me give you that stuff. Move them ice trays.
What?
That's true. I said just watch it.
Here.
You don't have to get up.
Oh, no, I'm going to close it. Because if I don't, it was a
Here.
watcher, too.
Here, DJ. Here, Mike. DJ, you want some fries?
Yes, sir.
How many you got, Daniel?
4.
Here, Mike. Here, DJ. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Boxes. That'll be a bag.
Oh, that's good. The smoothie.
Oh, it is? Okay.
There's a little sip. We got sour grapes and stuff.
It's all right.
I like it. It's a smoothie.
Pure fruit.
Here, DJ.
Pure fruit extract.
Let's get the grapes. I'm hungry. Hold on. Ready? Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food we're about to receive. May it nourish our bodies and strengthen our minds. In your name we all pray. Amen. Okay. Like I said, leave him alone. You are not going to hurt the fam. And then I'm just sitting there smiling in your face. I don't do that. But anyway, we left here. I had to go to the Kroger. I'm so proud of our Krogers. It is trying to restock. It is trying. Still no toilet paper. But I got enough to last. The toilet paper struggle's real. Love the onion chips.
Can I get a couple onion chips?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I got y'all this stuff. Look good. I'm gonna eat some. I'm tired of eating it. It's not full. Got me some tartar sauce.
Let me try if I can do that.
Huh. I gave them honey mustard and their zesty zing for the different things to dip. I got ketchup. Y'all need ketchup, mustard?
Nope.
Daniel? Well, it's here. There was a sweet... Okay. In order. Can we leave here? Kroger. They're trying to get their stuff together. Thank y'all. Because I do have... Give me that squirt, baby. Buddies and stuff that work at our local Kroger. And they watch my show. And I thank y'all for trying, to get it done. Thanks, y'all. Lord knows our neighborhood need it. Got me some Diet Squirt. It tastes just like the original Squirt. So we going through the Kroger. Mike want to get a movie. He want to get a movie. He want to get a movie. He want to get a movie. I was going to get Sandlot. I've never seen it. Everybody, what? You ain't never seen Sandlot? Like it's the biblical grail of being a child. And be quiet. If that's the case, everybody would have seen Goonies.
I did. I've seen it.
Yeah, you've seen it now. Goonies was my era. You know what I'm saying?
I seen Goonies back then.
He's one of them people. He want to be down so bad. But I'm going to get a little throwaway at the Kroger. They sell them for like $20.
With the price went up.
With the flat screens, I don't want no flip phone. We passed that era.
I was about to get another phone.
Yeah, I was about to get him another phone. The phone he got,
It do weird stuff.
it does, it malfunctions. It don't do weird stuff. It's broke. It's time for another phone. But I'm one of them people. I ain't tripping about his phone as long as it rings when I call that mug. But you know how that go. Nothing really spectacular happened at the Kroger.
Except for it still being empty as usual.
Yeah, well, they're restocking it. My thing is,
Toilet paper.
look at that. You buy it? Come on.
Done all day.
Some days, you just have a taste for different foods, This will last us all day. I don't know what it is about White Castle. It fills me up so quickly. But it could be the bread. I know I'm not a big bread eater. But all this is battered. So I'm already on it. Got to the White Castle. We in that mug. The girl was rushing me, number one. She was rushing me. I felt like I couldn't get my whole order out. Because she... Anything else? Anything else? I'm like, honey, y'all not busy like that. It's empty. Your parking lot is empty. We in quarantine. Okay. She told us to pull around the front and park in the space too. She said my total was $55.08, something like that. I paid for it. Now I'm up front. I'm waiting. And I'm looking at my receipt. I'm like, hold up. I said, where's my shrimp? Hold up. Where's the double cheeseburgers? I can't eat a lot of them, but I will always get one, maybe two. Come on. You can't go to White Castle without getting double cheese. That's a waste of trip. Cocktail sauce for the mozzarella sticks.
That's weird.
The sauce. Yeah, I figured it would be
That
weird.
shit tastes like gasoline.
What?
Yeah, the spicy just.
I haven't had it.
Oh. That's coming from somebody that eats everything. No. This is like a vinegar taste to it.
I looked at it and I knew it wouldn't.
Try it. Just try it.
We still got tacos and stuff in the refrigerator from yesterday. I still got Jack's Pizza from a couple of days before. This stuff will last.
Ugh.
Yeah.
It's like horseradish. A lot of it.
Yeah.
Mostly horseradish and something else I can't.
I don't
Oh no.
necessarily.
Nah, it's horseradish and
Don't know what that is, bro.
Michael.
it tastes like wall.
You gotta try it.
It tastes like wall.
Bring it here, Daniel.
Dip your fry.
They want me to taste this. What is this?
It tastes like horseradish.
It's
The honey mustard sauce?
yeah, it's
Zesty.
zesty
Zing sauce.
Yeah.
It tastes like horseradish and wall.
Let's try it. Mike said it tastes like horseradish,
And
horseradish, and wall. Like a wall.
It's interesting. It's just an interesting taste.
Yeah, it has a very interesting taste.
You have to have like.
It ain't nothing but horseradish, mayo, and a little ketchup.
That's not okay.
It tastes okay.
It's not. No,
Baby likes it.
that is weird.
She eats horseradish.
You can have that is weird.
I like it.
I thought I could do it, bro.
She eats horseradish, so
It's
she
just like
likes it.
gasoline, bro.
It don't taste like gasoline. Stop saying that.
I can do it.
Don't do it. Yo, picky eaters. I have a pretty open palate.
I'm not pity you with that.
Oh my goodness.
She eats a regular plain horseradish.
I wouldn't even give that to her after, bro.
They got The Simpsons on today.
They came on early today.
I know, we came home with some on.
What was on for it?
I wonder if they have like a marathon.
It was on for like a cool hour.
Great.
It's like the third or fourth episode.
Like, you can't be mad at that, can you?
Oh, we're at the Kroger. We doing the checkout, and the little lady, she always speaks to us. Hey, how you guys doing? Mike didn't even hear the lady. She looked at him like, damn, really? And I said, hey, I'm way in the back. I said, hey, baby. Mike turned, oh, hi. You know, my baby got, what is it, ADHD? And I'm like, what the hell is that?
Attention deficit. No, attention deficit hyperactive disorder.
Yes, it is. I looked it up, and it is attention deficit hyperactive disorder. He loses train of thought quick. He's okay, Mike. I need you to take this mozzarella stick, take it out to the dumpster, throw it in the dumpster, take a picture of it, and come back. He'll come back with a picture of a trash can. Where you get the picture of the trash can from?
You said take a picture of the trash can.
You said take a picture of the trash can. I said, no, take a picture of the dumpster.
It's not that easy. It's just for people that have a hyper imagination.
But he getting it together. But still, adults are better than children at it. That's what I've been told. But it is what it is.
Then there's just ADD. That's attention deficit disorder.
And so we are in the line. The ladies checking us out. They got police at the Kroger now. Because apparently there was a brawl at our local Kroger. Don't necessarily know what happened, of course, the people that work there. Ain't telling. They're not giving you no details, which I understand.
They don't want to get their job on.
They don't want to jeopardize their job or getting sued for telling other people business. I do know there was a confrontation in the Kroger, enough so that they have an active police officer on duty there. Not no, wait a minute, not no flashlight cop. So we get our shit checked out. I look up, there's a black officer. I guess he bored. He just helping them bag the bags. I said, oh, thank you, officer. I said, oh, wow. He started laughing. Real clean cut black guy. I said, I'm going to put you on my show. I said, what's your name, baby? He said, Officer Dimitri Smith. Shout out, Officer Dimitri. What it do, boy? I gave you my YouTube channel. Check me out. We don't be doing nothing. I mean, I ain't doing nothing illegal in there, talking shit. That's what I do. We left the Kroger. Oh, and there's a man in front of us at the Kroger trying to be slick, trying to buy liquor before 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. He was hoping that the cashier didn't notice it. She didn't know, sir. She said, you can't buy that. That's all she said. You can't buy that. And he looked, he said, why? And she just looked at him. I said, baby, because it's Sunday and you cannot start buying liquor legally till 12. He said, oh, yeah. Yeah. He said, boy, I wanted to drink so bad. I told him, I said, I got some beer at the crib. I said, I ain't even pop. I started laughing. He said, man, what do you think I'm going to do? He said, wait right here. I'll be right back. I don't got no bootleg. Just ain't that. But I know the bootleg man about to get back on his shit.
I get one more time.
What?
One more time.
Yeah. You better start using 2 fucking hands. He got 2 hands, got trash and everything. That's what I'm talking about. The ADHD, you not paying attention. You ask for something, and then you come to me with shit. Oh, look at it. Now you picking. See that? That's what you get. That's what you get. He's sitting there holding it. Instead of coming to me with empty fucking hands, he'll come to me, hey, let me hold it. Let me get a cigarette. Nigga, what you want me to do? Put it in your food? You starting early on me. He working my nerves today. They're about to see a whole new show.
Whole new show. Be
quiet, Mike. He about to get in trouble. You are messing up your privileges. Oh. He climbed. He'll be real silly. Anyway, so the officer the man with the food, or the beer. So he put it all back, and they left. I went over there too. They have like the customer service desk. And the customer service desk, you go over there, and you can get like money orders or whatever you want to do. You know, business. Kroger business. You know, you pay your bills, you can do stuff. Even though they still got a waiver on people paying their bills until April the 15th or something. I wouldn't know the deal because my shit paid. But anyway, this is good. This is real, real good.
Little smoothies ain't bad either.
I ain't really been messing with this smoothie. And this smoothies are $3 a piece. And they only got one size. But that's okay.
That's horrible.
The little young black. Oh, okay. So we left Kroger. And me and Mike was talking in the car about bootleg about to get back on. Where we lived at on the east side, off of East 10th Street. Bootlegs everywhere. You can start buying bootleg at 4 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. Before they start legalizing liquor on Sundays, you know.
David was there.
I wasn't there. You was there. I don't get down. Ain't me rolling my chair up and down the street looking for no bootleg.
Bootleg, man.
Hey, bootleg! Mm-mm. But anyway, we go to the White Castle next. I'm hungry. I was real hungry. I ate like early in the morning. Like now, it's still, what time is it?
It's like 1.
It's just now 1, but I've been up since 6:30. Why do I get up at 6:30 in the morning almost every day? No, really, I got up early now.
12:37.
It's 12:30. Anyway, the reason why I get up early like that every day, I'm getting older. And when you get older, I don't know what it is. It's like your body don't need a whole bunch of sleep. When you young, boy, you can sleep all day. And I have slept all day. You didn't want it?
I like it. It's good, but it's just
Too cold?
yeah. Every sip is.
Mike got sensitive teeth. He let DJ have a smoothie.
It was good though.
And now I know I'm not gonna buy him no smoothie.
I mean, it's good.
You
though.
good? You good? But anyway.
I can have slushies.
Mm-hmm.
I drank my slushies.
But anyway. So we sitting there at the White Castle. And the girl's rushing me. It ain't even that crowded, but as she told us to pull over to booth 2, the little driveway part 2, out of nowhere, they got slammed. I'm like, yeah, where these cars come from? Hurry up, Mike. Stop with that.
I'm sorry, I'm just cleaning
Stop
up.
with that.
Sorry, bro, we're just cleaning up.
And if I stop talking, he just stop moving like it's gonna go away. The sound is still there, bruh. This ain't ASMR. And this was ASMR. Are you about to go in the room?
I asked Danny.
Smoothie's good.
It is. It's good. It's just cold. I mean,
It ain't that cold.
it's colder than slushy.
No, thank you. It ain't that cold.
Well, on my
No, it ain't. You just don't like it.
Pure ice. That's like fruit.
I know, thank you. He just don't, because that's what it is. But he's good. I don't care. But anyway, we waiting. We waited like
almost an hour.
20 minutes before they even came out with our order. We're still here at the White Castle. Oh my God. You know how long we've been sitting here? Honestly, about 15 minutes. About 15 minutes?
About 15 minutes.
Out of control. We're still waiting on. I have a crave for the White Castle. And they got them new shrimp nibblers. I'm trying them. They said they back. I never even knew they were here. So I got some of them. I got some fish nibblers. Well, I'll tell you the rest later. Bunch of yummies. Yummies. Still waiting. I'm looking at the receipt. I'm like, where's my shrimp nibblers?
We didn't put that on the order.
Where's my 2 fish sandwiches? They got the 2 fish sandwiches for $2.
We didn't put that on the order.
The girl said, well, you must have didn't order it.
No, I ordered it. I
clearly repeated it to me because I asked you clearly to repeat it back to me.
Well, she was saying it, but she didn't type it.
Yeah, she was already messed up anyway.
The lady told me, the little young girl, real cute. I wish I would have got her name. She's right here at 87th and Michigan Road at the White Castle. She's real skinny, brown skinny, real cute. But anyway, we had to go back around to the drive-thru because you know the inside's closed. They have to reorder. I wanted my sandwiches, my 2 double cheeseburgers, and I wanted my 2 fish sandwiches and my large shrimp nibblers, which are really good. They're really good.
You like them?
I really do.
Out of all the places you done, fast food restaurants that you done tried their fish and shrimp, which one is the best?
Well,
Fast food.
I normally don't buy fast food like fish and stuff. I'd rather cook my own fish, unless it's Long John Silver's. Then we're gonna keep that to ourselves. But it's cool for you know what it is.
What if Subway came out with a shrimp?
I don't know about Subway coming out with no shrimp sandwich. I don't know if I would even eat it.
What you say? Y'all are not known for this.
But they got tuna sandwiches. Now, their Subway's tuna is good, but you gotta get it fresh.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it ain't been sitting there.
So they'll give you some stuff from 4 days ago if you ain't careful. No, I'm playing Subway. But sometimes that stuff be not right.
I'm playing about this.
You always gotta say it like that. Protect your butt. I pretty much smash these onion chips. Yeah, I'm gonna have this stuff all day.
I know. And I'm gonna help you with the rest of your stuff.
Mm-hmm. He already talking about helping me.
That's my job. I got one job. You gave me one job.
Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. You got a couple more left. No, he said he ain't gonna mess with him right now. I bet he ain't. So we went around to do the order again, and the little young girl that bought the food out to us on parking spot 2, she was in there cooking the food. The stuff that I just ordered, she made super fresh. I gave her $5 tip. She just kept saying, "You sure, ma'am? Are you sure?" I said, "Girl, yeah."
Because technically I ain't supposed to take tips.
Yeah, they can take tips.
Can I?
Hell yeah.
Take tips? Oh, that's what I'm supposed to take.
Restaurant. Mike said he.
Out fast food restaurants. Okay, well, never mind.
I'm talking about they can't get tips. When I worked at Arby's when I was a teenager, people would stand in my line. At lunchtime, my manager, Jeff, he would go off.
Jealous.
He would go off, and I asked him. I said, "I'm ringing people up." He said, "Can you go a little faster?" What?
Are you really eating that one?
Be quiet. He said, "Can you go a little faster? Can you go a little faster?" And I said, and the gentleman that I was ringing up, he said, "She's taking my order." He said, "But she's talking to every customer." I said, "You told me to greet and say hello to every customer." But every customer that would come through my line, we would have like a 5-6 minute conversation. I knew names, babies' names, boyfriends. They would tell me about their day, and I would give them my wisdom. Everybody want to hear me talk, which is great. Great. Listen to me. Take my advice. I'm one of the people that takes her own advice. That's why I feel I'm doing so well. But if it wasn't for God, I wouldn't be doing shit. So I give all praise to him. But still, he gives me the knowledge in my mind to give it to y'all. I hope you learned something from it. I really do, because I got a lot to give. The girl that run my order up that was rushing me. Oh, what's it? That's all you got. That's all you need. Okay, pull up. The second time we came back around, the order came to 1908. So 55 and 1908, 50, 60, 75, about 75, almost $80. Worth the White Castle. And it was worth it. Because now I got to cook tomorrow. But I'll probably fix a little something for the mukbang. The boys will probably be finishing the rest of White Castle if they don't do it tonight. But we'll see. We will see. What else? On the way home, my phone rings constantly. Yeah, if you know what that feels like, it's good and bad. As long as there ain't nobody calling me telling me something wrong with family, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Most of the people, what you doing? Where you at? Do you want to know what I'm doing or you want to know where I'm at? We can fix this by putting a locator on my phone. You ain't never got to ask me again where I'm at. Are you calling to check on me? Are you calling? Excuse me. Are you calling to check on me? Or to snoop on me? Either way, I'll answer your questions. Yeah, they snooping. But it's cool. I love them little fish nibblers. Just the right amount of seasoning. Okay? Yeah, shrimp nibblers are good. But they just a little too salty. If you eat a nice amount, you know what I'm saying? When you have like 1 or 2, maybe 5 or 10, they're alright. They start getting salty about the 8th or 9th one. And you be like, is that really me or it's them? It's still good. Oh, my zesty zing sauce.
You enjoy it, baby.
Mm-hmm. I like it. I like horseradish.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to. And then I actually tasted it. I said, she likes it. She's going to like it. She likes horseradish. Every time we get sauces from places, she always eats horseradish.
I like horseradish. Some people do. Some people don't. It's a taster's choice.
Acquired taste.
It is an acquired taste. And this is pink lemonade.
Ooh, they got your shit, baby. You know what they got? Veggie sliders.
I wouldn't get no veggie slider.
Why? Because your brain wouldn't be real vegetable.
No. I don't want a veggie slider.
Not for me.
Oh, and Kroger still don't got no greens. I bought some tomatoes, but
their lettuce is gone.
all their lettuce is gone still. All their tomatoes are gone.
We got lucky.
We had a couple other tomatoes on the vine.
They look like they've been ran through a couple times. Like
No, I had to feel. You know, I like firm tomatoes. You don't want no soft tomatoes. That mean they're ripe. They about to go bad. You want firm, so give you a couple of days, you know, refrigerator life. I wouldn't just leave my tomatoes out. Number one, my dog likes tomatoes and carrots. His jungle butt be done jumped up, ate my damn tomatoes. Then I have a dead dog.
Oh yeah, he eats corn.
Oh, listen to that. One time I fixed me and Mikey dinner, and we had corn on the cob. Mental note, I looked at my plate. I said, I need to put my corn on something better than this. I'm walking, my corn on the cob rolled off the plate onto the floor. I looked down and said, shit. I looked up. Me and Julius looked eye to eye. He looked at me like, I'm about to get that. I looked at him like, boy, you better not. Then he ran. Grabbed my corn on the cob and ran to his room where his cage and stuff is. I said, oh, bruh. I put my plate down. I went in his room and said, give me my corn. He looking at me trying to hurry up, and he trying to figure out, is it a bone? What is this? Me and him in there wrestling for the corn on the cob.
He trying to chew it as fast.
He trying to chew it as fast as he could.
Couldn't figure it
I
out.
took the corn, rinsed it off, cut his part off, hit him in the head, told him no. And he still didn't get the corn, and I looked at him while I ate it. I like corn on the cob. Can you tell? Oh, you get stabbed touching my plate. He's lucky he's a dog, because if he was a human, he ain't run, taking food off my plate and running. Are you crazy?
No.
Mikey. Well, Mikey done took his hair down. But you still ain't saying nothing about braiding and nappy stuff.
Yeah, right now it's my head breathing.
He said right now he's letting his hair breathe. He's letting his head breathe.
Yeah.
But I know him. He likes to keep, after he feel the new growth, he likes to just keep rubbing his hands, feel his new growth going. This show is growing. Wash it. Let me grease and condition it. And rebraid it so it can keep growing. Just keep going, oh, you feel the new growth? You feel the new growth? I'm going to sit here, watch The Simpsons. Really, thanks for coming out, guys. If this your first time coming to my channel, like, subscribe, comment, turn on them notification bells. I know you want to hear what I got to say the second I come out with it. I know I do. You know why I say that? Because I never know what the hell I'm going to say. I never know. Let me see. I still have my mukbang tomorrow. I'm cooking. Won't be no fast food. It'll probably be something. I don't know. I don't know how, what God has planned for me. Let's do it like that. I don't know what God has planned for me. But I do know, quit Mike. I do know that whatever it is going to be fantastic. As long as you there. Talk to you guys soon. I still got a whole bunch of White Castle. You seen, I ain't went nowhere yet. I just want to talk to my buddy. This is our daily phone call. Have a great day, guys.
No.
While I'm thinking about it, we also bought dun, 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 dun. I've never seen it. And it's based on a true story. And of course, if you know me at all, I love true stories.
You love true stories.
So, with that being said, I'll let you know what I thought about it.
Me too.
Hey, everybody. Thanks for still staying tuned in. You know, we are putting everything up because I told you I was done. Till later or whatever. My nephew Daniel, the biggest drama queen. I said, boy, you should have been a female. Drama queen. Okay, so he eating the White Castle. And then he gonna start saying, oh, my stomach, oh. Now, I've heard that White Castle can give you bubble guts, especially if you haven't eaten it recently or whatever. So he in the bathroom using it. Oh, I said, boy, you just put those in your mouth. They already coming out. Ain't no way your body will digest food like that. You'll be dead. Talking about my metabolism. I got fast metabolism. Nigga, that would be dead metabolism. That means everything you ate would just come right out. You wouldn't even be able to walk out the restaurant. I mean, come on. I mean, you gotta be realistic, man. Don't sit there and be making up no shit. But anyway, so now he's sitting back here laughing at me, talking about his ass. This stuff to grind my gears. It just won't let me rest. Just stuff to grind my gears. And this goes on with me all day, y'all. Look at what? And then he plays video games, and no matter who's playing, you can be watching somebody doing a walkthrough or something. Oh, I mean, the guy is doing headshots on everybody from 20-foot towers. He'll say, oh, he ain't that bad. Like, he better than the man playing on TV. I said, Daniel, if you think you're that good, why don't you join the competitions and stuff? I was going to go ahead and pay his way in one of the competitions. You know what? I can't find my ID. He played one of Mike's games. Boy, you crazy. Daniel, drama. There's not enough tea in China to keep out his dark secret. Do you hear me? Look at him back there. What? He said, what does it mean? It means that you got me fucked up. That's what it means. Oh, I didn't know what that was coming from the kitchen. I said, we got a real live poltergeist. But it's Mike in the dark, like the damn boogeyman he is.
Boogeyman.
America. There's not enough Excedrin on this earth. And I deal with these two daily. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Just don't stop praying for me. Ever. Talking about what, Mike?
Anything. Woman, hush. You see I'm busy. I'm just like when you busy. I'm being busy right now. I'm busy.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning out stuff. Doing what the hell I'm supposed to be doing.
Mm-hmm.
What y'all think my life is fucking lavish? I just sit there and eat shit all goddamn day?
Yeah, that's what they think we do. They think we sit here and eat all day.
I'm sorry. I don't eat all day. I got shit to do. I got work to take care of. I got dogs. I got stuffed animals. I got kids. Stuffed animal kids. I got family to take care of. So I gotta do what you gotta do.
Ain't that it?